Hey everybody, my name is Patrick Rooney, and my Stackathon project is an app called Rehearse. This app is designed to help actors memorize their lines. And the line memorization process is often the most annoying part of being an actor, and it is also the most necessary part of being an actor. So I really wanted to create a simple, elegant solution to aid in that process. So if we type in, I'm gonna get into the user homepage here, hitting sign in. As you can see, I've preloaded some plays in here. And I'm gonna take you right to the part where we rehearse the lines, where we practice the lines. So if I hit rehearse here, let's play Arcadia. If we hit run lines, this is the first scene. You will see this is a cue line right here. This is the line that the other character has, and this is my line on the right. My line is invisible to start, but if I'm not ready to try and perform this memorized, I can hit reveal, and it'll show my line. And then if we hit next line, you'll see the next cue line, and then the next line that I have. And you can keep going throughout the scene. This is an amazing play about the universe expanding and heat dissipating and things growing cold and dying, and it's romantic and cynical, and I love it. Okay, so if we go through here, as you can see, there's a counter here as well. Sometimes it's nice when you're running lines, you just have a counter just to know where you're at, how many times you've run it, basically like reps at the gym. So that is that portion. If we go back here, let's say we want to add a script. Let's say we want to add a script and build a new scene. So add script, I'm going to add a script called My Amazing Play. Role is Patrick. I'm playing myself, of course. If I hit rehearse here, and then I hit build new scene, now we're going to build a scene. So someone says, hi, how are you? I say, I'm fine. Hitting plus sort of adds these cards to the slide deck. That's great. I know. I'm so creative. But as you can see, we're sort of building the deck of lines, if you will. And if I hit save scene here, it clears the array. Going back to scripts, My Amazing Play, and now our scene is ready to go. So if we hit run lines, you'll see, hi, how are you? I'm fine. That's great, I know. So that is essentially, that is the bones of the app. That is essentially what I wanted to build. I used Firebase as my database, and Firebase is so great for just getting user authentication off the ground really quickly. It's a really just simple way of looking at data. I used React as my front end, and I had a lot of fun. Building this project. I had a lot of fun solving something that I wouldn't have been able to solve before coming to this bootcamp. And so that was really cool. And I do think this app is scalable. I don't think this app is just for actors. I basically built a flashcard app. So I think it's great for people that are studying for a test, learning vocabulary, preparing for a presentation. In my experience, whatever I'm doing, if I'm memorized, if I feel like I know exactly what I want to say, often there's, whether it's acting or whether it's a conversation or whatever, or a presentation, being off book or being memorized really can take your performance to the next level. So I'm really excited that I got to create an app to do that. So thank you so much. This was Rehearse.